Hello, CNB. Let's see, load up real quick. Okay, just taking me a while to share my screen. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that's live. Hey there, guys. Okay, so that alert is put out. Okay, so yeah, we're good to go now. I'm all right. We're good to go. Let me see what we get. Okay, so we have the 50% level over here, which also coincides with the 15-minute bearish for value gap. If we could tap that, that would be a very nice short. So we're gonna see what we could do there. Yeah. Oh, we also have 945 data. We have 945 data. So I we're probably going to be waiting for 945 news, but we'll see what happens. If we get a valid setup before that, I think we'll take it. No, I don't do that. I just did the daily range of the 50% of the entire daily range. Ah, I got you. Okay, it's cool to know. Anyways, let me mark out these hourly swing highs, hourly swing lows. Hourly swing low over here. Okay, two hourly swing highs up there. Lots of sell side in this big bearish for value gap. We could get a nice short from there. Yeah, we have these hourly swing highs over here. We have this one as well. So yeah, we'll see what we can get. All right, 90 seconds until open. Let's do it, guys. No, yesterday was rough, but we're just gonna keep it pushing. We know the models overall profitable, so just keep it going. Okay, so you can see this move up isn't random. You can see it happened as soon as we took out this hourly swing low over here. You see that? We took out this hourly swing low and instant move up. Instant move up from right there. I just personally I couldn't find a clean entry. I was going to go long, but I just could not find a clean entry. This gap over here, yeah, it's only one ES point, which isn't ideal. Yeah, just no clean gap to enter from. Wow, is this the open candle? It is the open candle. Here we go. My goodness. Is this another dump off of the open? Okay, anyways, let me go ahead and delete this. Wow. Straight death candle. This is like back to the tariffs. Okay. We have a little SMT at these lows, I guess. Maybe Dodgy is going to take this. SMT with the pre-market lows. You can see you're about to make a fair value gap over here, maybe on the 1 minute, 30 second, maybe. Yeah, Dodge is probably gonna take this because he trades open over here. SMT at the lows, and you just target the 50% level for like a 1-to-1. Anyways, we're not gonna take any risk because we don't trade the open. News in 15, yes. You do premium discounts at last swing high. I don't really use swing highs and swing lows for the 50% level. I just do the entire daily range. This SMT is holding up. SMT is holding up over here. This black line right here is another hourly swing low that I have. You can see it's right over there. So if we sweep that, we will be looking for longs. But then again, there is red folder news in. There is red folder news in 13 minutes. Wow. What a pump. If if I traded the open, I would have loved this long setup over here. I would have loved this long setup if I trade the open. Could just take this up to the 50% level. Wow, terrific V shape. Terrific V shape off of that. Wow. Great momentum. The thing is, it's probably not even going to give you an entry. In longs, good luck. This is a good setup. There's red folder in 10 minutes, guys. Okay, I'm just going to paper this. Okay. Looks like it's about to fail. Okay, and that's why I just don't trade the open. Unpredictable over there. But yeah, that's great. Yeah, avoided deal right there. I was actually really planning on taking that, but it was just, looking at the volume of all of these candles, I just like, I just wanted to wait out the volatility. I was very close to taking that. It's possible that we just re-tap off of this 30-second bullet for value gap and then create another V shape and target that 50% level. It is very possible. But yeah, now I'm just gonna wait for the real setup that we take. Wow. But that is exactly something Dodger would take, though. I know for a fact Dodger took something like that. Or maybe he didn't get stopped out yet. Maybe he has a different SL placement. Yeah, look at that. You see what I was saying? We're gonna tap up this lower gap and then go up. Yep. So I'm gonna get in paper buys. This should be the clear draw over here, the 50% level. We also have this bullish order block. Remember, I'm just staying out because this is just extremely volatile for me. So I'm just staying out. But this is what I would take. I did say long term valid off that SMT. Scale 250. Nice. Wow. So this is paper, guys. I'm not in anything in real life, but I mean, look at it go. Would I go break? Nah, I wouldn't go break even. I'd go break even over here. Okay, I'm gonna go break even there. I would go break even right there. Just took out the. Is it gonna take us out? Bang! There you go. See, like I said, the 50% level was the clear draw over there. Anyways, now we're gonna go look for shorts. Then again, there is red folder in 10 minutes. But yeah, that's interesting. It completely failed this 1 minute IFG and just wicked everyone out. And then looks like it just instead delivered off of the 30 second. Ah, the Rick's reward is a little bad, no? The Rick's reward would be a little bad because. Oh no, it would have hit actually. Okay. So now there's the 50% level. There is the 50% level. Yeah, longs were nice there, but now we're gonna be looking for shorts. There is the 50% level. Wait, then again, there is red folder news in like how many minutes? There's red folder news in about 7 minutes. Did anyone take that long? Anyone took that long? Yeah. Yeah, there is no gap. Yeah, we'll just. It looks like we're just gonna be waiting for red folder then. For sure. Bro's just scalping everything. One micro, two micros. When's the real micros coming in, bro? We got red folder in 6 minutes. But I really did like this long. Like I said, I thought longs would looked amazing. Right? It's just curious that The 1 minute failed, and then the 30 second worked perfectly. Wow. Look at that instant dump from that level. You see that? This isn't a coincidence, guys. Bearish SMT. Yes. Do we? Where's the SMT? Yes, okay, I see it. I see it. Yes, I see the SMT. You can see we did not take out this 933 high on ES. We didn't take those highs out on ES. And Q clearly did take them out. And Q clearly did take them out. So, and plus we're tapping the 50% level. The issue is that there's no gap to enter off from. Ah, yes, your indicator. I forgot. Okay. Lower 30, but too close to news. Wow, what a look at this dump you get off of the 50% level. Unreal. Yeah, I wouldn't take this, guys. I wouldn't take this lower gap. It's just really far away from the level. You know, you want to enter as close to the level as possible to capture the move. But by the time you're entering here, the move already happened, you know? You're entering like 217. You're entering like about 50 points away from the level interaction. Oh, short on paper. Okay. So like a 15 second. Not even a 15-second gap. I don't know what you would have entered from. I don't know what you would have entered from, Krish. I mean, there's this tiny 1 minute gap, I guess, at this top. From the 1 hour. I expect some consolidation before news hits. What time is it? It is 9:43. So 2 more minutes. What do you mean we tapped to 50%? I mean, this isn't a real short, anyways. There's no entry. I'm just doing this for fun. I'm just messing around. This is not a real short. All right, you know what? That might confuse people, so I'll just take that out. I'll tell you guys when I'm in a real trade. You guys know this, right? When I'm in a real trade, when I see a real funded trade, I say you guys, okay, I'm in this on a funded. Okay, we're just screw. Like I said, I expect a consolidation before red folder hits. 30-second data candle. I mean, let's see what we got. Let me check Dodgy's Twitter if he took that little long that I was talking about. Did he take it? The fuck is that? What is that? Tempo didn't take a trade today. He took a trade today? Wow. He traded the data candle. Are you serious? This is crazy. God, Venture, he took the data candle. Oh my god, this is a great data candle. Holy. Okay, we're getting a data candle. We just need a wick. If we don't get a wick, this is cooked. If we do not get a wick, this is cooked. We need a wick. We need a wick. But we have our data candle, but we need a wick. Okay, we have our wick. All right. We got our wick. Here's the data low. We're gonna sweep out that low. Okay, so now we're gonna look for longs. Um Now the issue is like what gap would you even enter from? Okay. We just swept out an hourly swing low as well as the data low. Okay. So we have an hourly swing low plus a data low. Uh there's really no clean entry anywhere. I don't know. Not in love with that. No clean gap to inverse. Let me check ES maybe. Nah. There's no clean entry anywhere. Wow, look how we're reversing. No clean entry anywhere. No clean entry. Nothing. We're making a 1 minute bullish OB. Wow. You could take this order block maybe. I, I think, wow. Wow, look at that. I guess you could do this, but damn. I think I'd rather look for shorts from the 50% level. Tough. No gap to enter from. Okay, so 30-second dip close above, but again, this isn't something I usually take. Straight longing into another gap. I've actually never taken something just like that, longing into a gap. Yeah, guys, don't be hindsight traders. Yeah, so it's all good. This isn't even a 2 minute. Oh yes. Oh my God. Yeah. How big is it? Yeah. This 2 minute is not bad. Yeah, that 2 minute is not bad. I think the risk to reward might be a little bad though. 9 points for 2 minutes. This isn't bad at all on the 2 minute. Yeah. Wow. Okay, so no entry there. Ha! Wow, no entry there. My goodness. And did anyone get in there? Did anyone get in there? Wow. I'm gonna wait for the 50% to hit. Right now, it's okay. Wow. I would call it personally. I would love if we could tap this 50% level. We did just take out the data high. We did just take out the data high. Now I would love it if we could get a short from here, potentially. Ideally with the 50% level, but shorts are valid. We just took out this data high. You can see that. Well, we are rejecting beautifully from there. Bearish SMT as well, I believe, because you can see ES never took out that data high. Ideally, we get a 50% tap, but let's see it. Okay, let's see if we can get this 50% tap. But we have a bearish SMT at the highs. We're having incredible momentum to the downside. I don't hate shorts. Did anyone take any of those calls? Wow. Wow. My goodness. I mean, data high swept. SMT at those highs. We also made a 2 minute bearish OB. And damn, I wanted that 2 minute long, guys. It just pumped straight through it. Frankly, it looks like it wouldn't even have hit TP. It looks like it would have missed it by a point. Wow, what a wick! Okay. Okay, let's see the short over here. I think I'm gonna try this. Data high swept, SMT at those highs, respecting the 2 minute bearish order block with a great reaction over there. You see that reaction to the order block? That's lovely. So I do like this. If it comes. Wow. Guess the only issue is that maybe ES wants to take out this data high as well. Well, you're just gonna have to run that risk. But I mean, look at this reaction to the 2 minute bearish OB. That's incredible. That's a great wick reaction into that order block. Yeah. Okay, so if we don't inverse this, I really want to see this 50% tap. If we can sweep that, tap that 50% level, we can get a terrific short. Need the ES sweep. Yeah, that would be best. Best case scenario. Um, we're still reacting off of this 2 minute bearish OB. Wow, we are still respecting that order block. That's crazy. Look at the reaction to this OB over here. Okay, there we go. Wow, it's really holding up. We are really fighting this level. Okay, oh my goodness. What a. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take this. We are making. Wow, okay. Oh, don't make me chase. Okay. It's gonna make me chase, man. Yeah, look, man, we are reacting from a 2 minute bearish OB into making another bearish OB on the 1 minute time frame. So there's incredible momentum over here. Okay, okay, okay. So there's your. Oh my God, what a terrible fill. God damn it, horrendous fill over there. Horrendous fill there. I'm gonna try to. Horrendous fill. Okay. Yeah, I'm in this. I like it. We had incredible momentum over here, so I don't mind this at all. I'm just gonna target a little 1 hour over here. Nice push there. Nice push there. Just need an order block. Keep dumping. Keep dumping. So we got the order block. Okay. Nice. Existing home sales. That does make a data wick sometimes. Okay, there is a nice dump there. I think I'm gonna go break even. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go break even. Nice. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Keep dumping right there. We do have an SMT at the lows. Nice, nice. Keep dumping. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. I'm getting edged. No way, I'm getting edged. Yo, yo. Holy shit, I am getting edged. No way, I just got edged again. Guys. Yo, that's unreal. I got edged again. I got edged again. That's unreal. No. Guys, you guys want to see something? You guys want to see something, guys? You guys want to see something? You guys want to see something pretty? You guys want to see something? You guys should see that. Wow, unreal. That is the wow. That's okay. Whatever. I'm gonna stop moaning my fate. We do have another. We just made another data candle. Whatever. 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 That is extraordinarily painful. That is extraordinarily painful. But nothing I can do. That was not. There's nothing I could do about that. Um, it moved so fast. I couldn't even do that. I thought it was gonna hit TP. I didn't expect it to do that again. It's whatever. Wow. My TP is a resistance level. All right. It's just funny at this point. Let's see. We're about to tap off the 50% level. We did just make another data candle. We just made another data candle over here. So we're also about to tap the 50% level. Oh my goodness. That's ridiculous. My goodness. What is up with my TPs, bro? Like price just is not like my TPs. Oh man. Oh man. We have an SMT at the highs, 50% tap. I like this 1 minute. You guys should be done though. I think you guys got better fills than me. You guys should be done for the day. Do not keep trading. If how did you lose 120? That's a win. And like you guys definitely got a better fill than me. My top sub X lagged though. You guys had to have gotten a better fill than me. There's no way you lose on that. I'm I'm gonna take this 1 minute short. I'm gonna take this 1 minute short. Unreal, guys. I just keep getting edged. What do you mean you can't hear me? You guys can't hear me? This is my second day this week getting edged by 1 point. First day was Tuesday. Second day is today. Unreal. Yo, that is just unreal for real. Like, I'm at a loss for words. I'm at a loss for words, man. I am at a loss for words. Unreal. How much am I green? Nothing. I got break even on that. Oh. Guys, that's so unreal. That is so unreal. That is so unreal. How did you guys get red? I don't understand how you guys got red. How are you guys losing money on that? Yo, I can't believe that actually happened. Venture, everything that happened to you is happening to me, bro. What did you do? This is unreal. Oh my god, this is so unreal. I can't believe that actually happened. Oh my god. I can't believe that it edged me by a single point. Ah, wow. Looks like that might have been the move. Unreal, dude. That's just completely unreal. I mean, you guys, I hope you guys better be green. You guys better be green. Um, I'm going to take this short. We did just take out the data high. We did just take out the data high. I do want a short. We have an SMT at the highs as well. Yeah, crazy, man. It's not even shit PA. PA is fine. It's just some really tough luck for me. Unreal. Unreal edge. Like, I get it. I had a bit of a bad fill, but still, like, that's crazy. My goodness. There isn't even a data high. There is no data high. There's no wick. So I think I'm gonna just have to. Wow. Unreal, unreal, man. That's just completely unreal that it really did that. Nah, I'm done melting down. At this point, it's just happened way too many times for me to melt down. You guys better have made money on that, though. Amy, I'm green. I know you're green. Congrats. Wow. We do have this hourly high over here. Fire, man. Proud that you guys got it. This 2 minute is respecting, though. I won't lie. This 2 minute is respecting nicely. That's unreal, dude. That's genuinely so unreal. I can't believe that happened. I cannot believe that happened. What the hell? I cannot believe that actually happened. This is so unreal. I'm genuinely at a loss for words. Like, what is that edge? I am genuinely at a loss for words. Where is video? Oh, sorry. I got it. I know you guys made money on that though, so good for you guys, man. It's because this has happened like so many times. It's so bad. I don't know what's happening. My ancestors did something, and I'm just carrying their curse. Like, I have no other explanation. Because you can't even blame this on PA. This isn't bad PA. You can't even blame this on PA. Can't even blame this on PA. I mean, look, remember, guys, like, the right before everything goes great, it's all gonna go to shit. So it's all good. I have no problem. If we can sweep out this hourly high over here and get a short from there, I would like this. fire, man. I'm proud for you, Moses. Good stuff. I'm happy you guys are making money. But I swear to God, bro. I swear to God, if I have to count today as a red day, can you guys forgive me? Can I just count today as a green day just off of that trade? Like, this is painful. I couldn't even close it because it just moved so fast. It just moved so fast. Unreal, dude. Absolutely unreal. What are the odds? I got like a 5 point shittier fill, so I just targeted a little more. And a little more was too much, I guess. You lying, bro. You're making fun of me. I wasn't making fun of you. You told me, haha, you're red and I was green. And I said, buddy, show me a payout. That's not making fun of you. That's insane, dude. My goodness. Like this isn't a coincidence. This is the second time this week. The second time this week. How is that possible? Unreal. But you, I don't think so. I think I'm doing an okay thing. It's just adding too much on the gap size. Nah, I had a decent stop loss. It's not too big, not too small. Maybe I got a bit of a bad fill, but price just moved so aggressively on the inverse that it just filled me at that price. So I just don't think there was anything I could do personally. Whoa, you got hit BE too? Got it. Got it. Wow. Okay. We're about to take out an hourly swing high over here on ES. What is my Twitter? It's ICT Emmy. I think it's with two Y's. The one with one Y got hacked, and now it's just posting a bunch of crap. I don't know what it's been posting. Actually, this isn't an hourly swing high. I don't know why I marked that out. This isn't one. How many of you guys made money on those shorts? I know you guys made money from those shorts, yeah? Yeah, I know you guys made money. Good stuff, boys. I'm gonna wait for this hourly swing high over here. Let's see what we can get. No problem. The why did I? Just off of the sweep. Just the sweep of the data high, the fifth the SMT, right? Because you can short off of a bounce of the 50%. If the 50% level gives you a short, obviously it's gonna be a short like a below the 50% level. Temple's done it too. Oh my god, I'm still thinking about that edge. I am gonna start smoking again. Like I'm gonna start smoking. Go buy a pack of Marlboros tonight. I couldn't even go and close it. It just waked all the way back up so fast. Man, it's been so long since I hit a full TP. Oh my god. I haven't hit a full TP since Thursday. It's just been edging and edging and edging. It's so bad. Oh my god. Oh, whatever. It's all good. This does look like chop over here, but the thing is, it followed our bias, which is funny. Oh, you can see we made an SMT at these lows and immediately shot up after that SMT. Wow, this would have been a valid long over here. This would have actually been a valid long. Unreal, dude. Like I'm at a loss for words. If we could retap into the 50% level, I would love that. Get a nice long setup from here because it is in the ES 5 minute gap. Guys, can you give me permission to count today as a green day? Oh my god, because that edge is brutal. Hope you guys made money from that, though. I really hope you guys made money from that. Oh, you guys took the move up. Very nice. I was just too busy looking at how I got edge like that. Man, go take care of your kids, bro. Go take care of them kids. You made good money today. Yo, if I lose on the next trade, I'm crashing out. Oh my god. He has just upped an hourly high. This is an hourly high? We count this as an hourly high? We count that as an hourly high venture? How is it not? Oh, okay. I see it now. I see it now. My eyes were like crossed for a second. Okay. So yeah, we just took out that hourly swing high. Shorts are valid. We can just, you know, short this back down to the 50% level. What the hell? Wow, my goodness. How big is this gap? 298? 307. Okay, this is a valid short over here. This is a valid short over here, yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, I think I will be taking it. No entry yet though. Unreal edge over there, man. Wow. I'm just at a loss for words right there. Okay. Good momentum. Great momentum over here. Wow, ES is respecting it nicely. Very nice from ES. Wow, we're getting up. We're about to get a 30-second bearish OB too. Man, one day when this server grows and we have like a couple hundred people watching these streams, we'll be able to look back on these days and go, "Hey, Amy, remember you got edged? Your TPs kept edging. Unreal." Okay, so it looks like not gonna get it there. I'm gonna be waiting for these hourly swing highs then. Oh, okay. Now we're consolidating a bit. Yeah, I mean it's still valid on ES. Uh, wow, that's so unreal, dude. I know you guys made money though, so I'm happy for that at least. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna take this anymore, honestly. It is valid, but I don't like all of these wicks. I don't know, just a feeling I have. If it dumps, I could easily look for a nice long from the 50% level. If it does happen to dump. Ah, bearish SMT now. Yes, there is a bearish. Okay, that is true. There is a bearish SMT. Hmm. And you can see ES is still respecting that sweep. ES is still respecting that sweep over here. Damn. I think ES is ready to go down. NQ is just pulling it up, probably to take out this hourly swing high. Wow. Oh man, that's gonna leave us. That edge is gonna leave a scar. I don't think I'm gonna look at this short anymore. Um, there is an SMT at the highs. I do see that, but so like maybe a higher time frame gap I could use instead. Why does my 1 minute time frame look like this? By the way. Select BADG J. Okay. Wow, unreal, dude. That's so unreal. Like I'm genuinely at a loss for words. Like I cannot. Cannot. Wow. If you guys did make money on any of these setups, like post an hashtag profits, tag me so I can at least get an Instagram post out of it. But this is insane. Wow. Insane momentum right there. Crazy momentum right there. I'm not in love with it. Hmm. It is making great momentum. We did put in a 2 minute bearish OB. Okay, I think I'm gonna take this now because we made a 2 minute bearish OB and now we're wicking it. I think this is valid now. Wow, we are getting a bit wicky over here. Man, that edge does hurt. Wow. I think we just made an SMT at these lows. We just made an SMT at these lows. This is actually a very nice 30-second DOL. How big is this? This is a nice 30-second DOL. And it is just flying. No entry there. My God. This is a nice 30-second DOL, guys. This is a nice 30-second DOL play. SMT at the lows, fair value gap tap. This is a nice 30-second DOL. I'm not in this. Couldn't get in an entry. Okay, now I could actually get in. Here. Okay, I got a horrendous fill on that, so now I'm out. Oh my God. Okay, I was in there and I got out because the fill was so bad. But now you look like you're up. You should be up. You guys should be up on that. How many of you guys took this? This one is good. SMT at the lows. You should go break even now. You should go break even now. You should be break even now if you took this. Well, actually, it's only like a. Never mind. I wouldn't be break even. I would not be break even on this, but this is good. This is definitely not a bad setup. SMT at the lows. SMT at the lows. This is looking good. I just couldn't get in time. It's a bit too fast for me. 1018, 1020. Yes, SMT with the 1020 low. We tapped we tapped into this fair value gap, made an SMT at the lows, instant V shape, 30-second bullish OB. This is a great setup over here. Just sucks. I got in a bad field, so I just got out real quick. I accidentally made $50 on that. Boom! TP in. Who took that? Oh my God, guys. Maybe I should just become ICT, where I just call out setups but don't take them. Oh my God. Who took that? Who took that one? Who took that one? Oh my God, what a banger of a setup. Do you guys see this? What a setup. Who took this? Come on, guys. Who took that one? No one took it? Fire. Adam, welcome in, bro. I didn't get a chance to say hi. Welcome in, dog. Nice. Post that hashtag profits and tag me so I can put it on Insta. Man, this. I just cannot get in an entry for my life. Okay, wait a minute. This short is valid over here. This is a valid short right over here. Yeah, shorts are valid. Okay, wow. Why? Wow, wow. Okay, okay. I am break even there. I am break even. I am break even there. Come on, please hit TP. Okay, I'm out there. Ah! Oh my god. There we go. I'm out there. Holy. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my. Forgive me for screaming, but I couldn't do it anymore. Forgive me for screaming, but I couldn't do it anymore, man. Yeah, I'm out there. I just took 1 hour over there and I'm out. Oh my god, I just dropped my computer. I couldn't do it anymore. I couldn't do it anymore. I got out early because, look, this never even closed under. This never even closed under. Look, I did a mistake over here. I did a mistake over here where I got in. I did a mistake over here, which is on me. I got in on this candle over here, but this candle never actually closed under. So, and that's why I just happened to take full TP because it wasn't a full size trade anyways. But you can see it is working perfectly. Realistically, I shouldn't have realistically this is a lucky trade I just did. Realistically, this is a lucky trade I just took because I should have been able to get in an entry on this. Right? This first candle just closed on the tip. The very second candle just dumped way past it, right? So realistically, I should not have been able to get in on this. Okay, but so I mean we have been killing it today. We just killed it today. You guys have this you guys have this 1 minute. You guys do have this 1 minute short over here. Nah. I think it will be too late to get in on this one. Edward, how you did, bro? We've been killing it here, man. Killing it over here. Finally, I can be happy now. Yeah, that's on me, Simon. I didn't even see the close. To me, it looked like it closed, and by the time I realized it didn't close, it was already break even. So nothing I could do there. Yeah, I didn't even realize it closed. It's just I didn't even realize it closed. It didn't close, right? Yeah, it didn't. I mean, hey, look at that. You see, you guys saw how badly I got edged. A few minutes ago, you guys saw how badly I got edged. I didn't get. Yo, you guys are. Yo, how many of you guys are in these shorts? How many of you guys are in these shorts? How many of you guys are in these shorts right here, man? Come on now. How many of you guys? Let's go. Oh my God. We haven't called a single L this entire time. Are you kidding me? Yo, unreal. This is what happens to me, bro. When I get out, when I get out for a base hit, it dumps. When I hold for full TP, it edges. Like whatever. I mean, it's not gonna last forever, so it's all good. Yo, man, I'm happy for you guys, bro. You guys are doing amazing. Fuck them tree. Look at that. Beautiful setup there. You see, I didn't hesitate after I got edge. I went on to the next setup and I banked. You know, that's how you're gonna be profitable. You just gotta be able to move on to the next setup. You just gotta be able to move on to the next setup. Man, I can't even I can't even look I can't even look at that edge. Like I look at it and I feel a pain in my heart. Like I got stabbed again. Where is it? Oh my god, look at this. We need to analyze this for research purposes. Like I guess you guys are saying, but your field should have been better. You should have targeted a lower R. Habibi, like at this point, it's just bad luck. Like look at how it edges. You guys see my stream? Do you guys see my stream? Do you guys see this? Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? Ustedes pueden mirar es. Can you guys see this? Can you guys see this? This is funded. Oh my god. This was a funded setup. This was the shorts that I called out. You see right there? Funded. Unreal. Good lord, I'm put your head through the screen. Yo, this is unreal. Unreal. This happened Tuesday too. Yeah, God. Yeah, God. That's not even a point. That is 0.25 of a point. I punch a kid. Dude, Adele, this happened to me last Thursday. I got stopped to the very tick. My stop loss was at 81.6.5. It didn't go to 81.6.25. It didn't go to 81.6.75. It went to 81.6.5 and it reversed 200 points. You guys can see it. Like, check my screenshots in the. Like, check my previous screenshots. You guys will see that. Right? And now, Tuesday, I missed TP by 3 points. Today, I missed TP by 0.25 of a point. Oh my god, bro. Wow. Wow. I mean, yo, guys, you guys should absolutely be cooking over here, man. You guys should absolutely be cooking over here, man. My goodness. My goodness. You guys should absolutely be cooking right here. Wow. Yo, I'm giving you guys too much sauce for free. You guys are all eating way too much, man. But you sign up with me for the mentorship, dude, because you guys gotta pay something. You guys gotta get. Oh man, you got edged. I'm so sorry. Good shit, Royce. Yo, you guys owe me so much money. You guys owe me so much damn money. All of you guys. I do mentor kids, yeah. I never really wanted to market it, but like 3, 4 people came asking me for it, and so I was like, you know what? Why not earn some money? Besides, it does cost money to run this server, so that's how yeah, that's why I really afford to just do these streams for free. But look at this, man. We have not called a single L this entire time. We have not called a single L. You want me to mentor you, dog? You know this stuff, Adam. You know this stuff. Yes, I would look for longs over here. Yes, I would look for longs. For sure. I would look for longs here. Yo, unreal. Unfucking real. Absolutely unreal over here. Who is in these shorts? Who is still in these shorts? I have not called a single L over here. Not a single one. All of this for free. Unreal. Forgive me for shouting, guys, when that TP hit, but I couldn't help it. Like, after that edge and after having to wait 45 minutes for another setup, I'm sorry. I was about to get edged again, by the way, because price came to it and then went all the way back up too. I would look for longs here. Um, okay, yes, I would look for longs here, guys. I would look for longs here. Adam, you don't need me, dog. You know this stuff. You've been backtesting way more than me. You know more about this stuff than me. The only difference between us is that I make money, and that won't be for long either, right? You just need to actually do it. How does all of this work? So all of the streams are free. It's just the mentorship is just basically like a one-on-one thing where I'll do like personal calls with people, like maybe 3, 4 times a week, as many times as they want. And yeah, that's paid, and that's actually how I keep these streams free because remember the server boost costs money. And then to be fair, there is a good number of people who boosted the server for me, and I appreciate you guys if you guys are in here. But yeah, the server boost costs money, and then I need to pay for my editing stuff and CapCut and those stuff. And yeah, that I pay for that with the mentorship. Yeah, no worries, Adam. I appreciate you too, bro. Yeah, I forgot, bro. Like, bro, Adam and I go way back. Like, Adam's been my boy since like last year, bro. It's been a whole year. It's been a whole year, dog. Incredible. It's been a whole fucking year. Wow, we are getting old. We are getting so damn old. In Bengali. বাংলাদেশে কোন জায়গায় থেকে? বাংলাদেশে কোন জায়গায়? সেই রে বাংলাদেশে কোন জায়গা থেকে? Don't tell me he can't understand Bengali. He can't understand Bengali. He's not typing. Wow. Unreal. Oh my god. Teach me Bengali. What do you want to know? The cuss words? That's funny, bro. Like he even got the Bengali PFP. He got the sunglasses with the comb over. Like okay, let me stop joking around for a second. Look, we are reacting. Okay, actually, that's not a clean reaction on the 3 minute. We close under the 50% now. So I actually am not in love with this. I mean, let me see the ES one. Yeah, I'm not really in love with it anymore. But damn, I love you. আমি আপনাকে আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি or আমি তোমাকে আদর করি or yeah, like that. I grew up learning Spanish though because I lived in Miami. Puedo hablar un poquito de español, pero no es muy bueno. As vive en Miami por 5 o 6 años. Yeah, you guys take care, man. W stream, W stream. Tag me, Adam, in your profit post. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Woo. What's the profit? Where's the profit post? You post your profit and hashtag profits. That's it. Yeah, man. It was a chase entry, so I got out early. But my goodness, we're getting a nice setup from the 50% level. But again, we close under the. I've been seeing this so many times now. Like we just close under it, and then we react off of it cleanly. It's funny. This is a recent development. I mean, I don't hate this, guys. I don't hate this at all. I mean, I don't think I personally would take it, but I definitely don't hate it. বলছি বাঙালি কিন্তু বাংলাদেশে কোন জায়গায় থেকে জিজ্ঞেস করতেছি from Chattogram, Dhaka, Sylhet. Oh, Noakhali. Oh, red flag. West Bengal is in India, no? Yeah, I would love longs over here. Tapping the 5 minute for value gap. It's not a good reaction from the 50% at all. Actually, you know what? Now we're disrespecting it even more. Like I wanted us to see us respect this order block, but now it doesn't look like we're gonna get it. Got it. Okay. So you live in India right now. Guys, remember, I'm small green on the week, very small green. Any smaller, I would have counted it as a break even week, to be honest. But fireman, yo, oh, you know what? I would give this a solid B plus. I would give this trade a solid B plus. Wow. I would give this trade a solid B plus. I actually really like this. I know the 50% reaction is cooked, but man, just look at that OB reaction. Plus, we are delivering from a 5 minute for value gap. I would give this a solid B plus. I would give us a solid B plus. This is a terrific long setup over here. I mean, not terrific. It could be better with the 50% reaction, but man, I like this. I really, really, really like this. That is a terrific reaction to the bullish order block. Look how we wicked that level. Look how we wicked this order block level. I do not hate this long at all. I do not hate this long. It's a solid B plus. I'm done trading for the day, but this is not bad. So I'm gonna get in some paper buys. Okay, no entry. Okay, 20 seconds left. Guys, I do not hate this long. If you guys are somehow break even or something, I would actually take this. We are delivering from a 5 minute for value gap. We retested the 50% level. And look at this reaction to this 3 minute bullish OB, man. Look at that reaction to this 3 minute bullish OB over here. This is terrific. This is a terrific reaction. That's a terrific reaction. Oh man, you're gonna have to chase. Man, it just kind of sucks I got edged like that, dog. I can't stop talking about it. Oh, you live in Thailand. Okay. How's Thailand? This should work over here. Do you speak Thai? Nidnoi. What is Nidnoi? Okay, if we disrespect this order block, just give up the idea of the long. Because the main reason I like this is because of the reaction to this OB. Like, that's a terrific reaction. M2. M2 is decent as well. Yeah, M2 is good too. This is good, guys. This is good. I do not hate this. Yo, if these streams have helped you in any way, post something in hashtag testimonies for me so I can get some posts on the Insta. Thank you. Take it, Emmy. I'm locked, Habibi. What am I gonna do? What's trade in Spanish? You know what's funny? My dad sometimes like when in Florida, there's a good number of people like here who don't speak Spanish, who don't speak English, right? They only speak Spanish. So one time, my dad he went to a pharmacy to pick up some medicine, and like he asked some worker, "Where's the medicine section? Where's the medicine section?" No, no English, no English, no English. And then he called me, and then like I asked him, "What do you want to say?" And he said medicine, and I said medicina. And it's oh medicina, medicina. I'm like, Habib, it's just an A added to the end. Like you couldn't tell that. You couldn't you couldn't like decipher that medicine is medicina. He got so excited too. You see, if we disrespect this order block, I would forget about this long setup. Because the main reason I liked it so much is because of this order block reaction. Type 1 if you're red today. Or break even today. Type 1 if you're red or break even today. Johnny, I swear to God, you are a liar. Are you serious, ETH? How are you? You didn't take any of these setups? Why even join the stream if you're just gonna fade me? Oh my God. What happened, ETH? Soul, did you not take any of these setups or what happened? Break even. What did you guys take? Did you guys take anything? Mm. Okay, I'm not in love with this as much as I originally was. Might downgrade this to a B instead of B plus. Got BE, got Edge the same as you. Well, why didn't you take this short over here? I mean, to be fair, it did move super fast, so I wasn't able to clearly call it out. But I think I did like mutter. I think I muttered to myself, "Hold up, shorts here are valid, maybe," or something like that. I don't know. Did I? Because it moved very fast. It moved very fast. Wanted them. Okay, fair enough. We're gonna do some giveaways soon. I'm gonna be requesting a payout soon. I mean, I've already been eligible for a payout for like a couple weeks now, but like the weeks been a little slow. You know, like usually we used to have like 2 week win streaks, and now they're like 5 day win streaks and then a red day, 5 day win streaks and then a small red day. You know, and those wins like would be like sometimes base hits, which is why I started taking full TP at 1R for this month. But you know, we are still profitable at the end of every single week. You guys see how this model works. You guys see we didn't call a single L this entire time. So if you guys are new to the streams, welcome. You guys know what we do here is legit. Is Moon over here? Is Moon over here? Moon. Nah, he's not here. Okay. I still don't hate the idea of longs. We are making another bullish OB. Actually, I still like this. Yeah, absolutely, I still like this. Okay, guys, I do not hate this long. It's a solid B plus. Solid B plus. I wouldn't give it an A because of the original 50% reaction, but it's a solid B plus if we can inverse this now, right? If we can inverse it now, it's a solid B plus. I love this reaction to the 5 minute bullish. We are in a 5 minute bullish for value gap on ES. You can see we tapped this lower 1 minute bullish for value gap over here on NQ as well. I do not hate this. Remember, I am done for the day personally. Simon, why didn't you take the shorts, bro? Too fast, didn't want to chase. Fair enough. Yeah, like I said, the reason I even got in was like partially luck. So I will say that. You know, I'm gonna be honest. Oh my goodness. Yo, okay, you might have to get in the chase over here. Sorry, Simon. Yo. Yo. Oh my god. Okay. Kind of a definitely a bad fill, but all this time I've been saying this is valid. I hope you guys are paying attention. Holy, who is in this? Yo, is anyone in these songs? Horrendous fill. But like that's because I was yapping at the time. You guys should have been filled like around here maybe if you guys chased. Unreal. Look at that. You see, guys, this is not a coincidence. This is about to be the fifth W called out for the day. Unreal. To be fair, it didn't hit any TPs yet. I mean, your fill should have been like around. Yo, this should have been TP. What am I even talking about? This should have been TP. Because you guys should have gotten filled. Wait, never mind. Yeah, never mind. Okay, so this isn't a TP yet. We'll try to see this at 1R. Yo, we have called in so many dubs today. It's unreal. Now there was 1 minute left. I recall. Anyways, you could get in a chase right now. You could get in a chase right now if you want to take it. You could get in a chase right now. It's still not too far above the gap. In half. All right. Good luck, brother. No way it wicks. No way it wicks. Yeah. Man, we have caught so many W's today. It's unreal. It's just that price is just moving so damn fast. It is so hard to keep up. This one I'm especially proud of. Do you guys see this setup that we called over here? The SMT at the lows, the fair value gap delivery, the instant order block in the V shape, and the long over here at 332. Boom. Instance. We called the entry at 322. 30 points. Very valid 30 points. But the thing is, it would have been like solid. I think I have too much stuff up on my chart. I need to clean it up in a bit. But it would have been like a 2R trade right there. Do you guys see that? Oh, man. We are killing it today. Yo! Let me see this. All right, so there is your entry. Remember, if you guys are already green, just go ahead and risk your profits only. Any setup can fail. This isn't the best setup, but it's definitely something I would personally risk money on. I mean, just look at this order block reaction to the 3 minute. We wig this order block and form another order block. That's a terrific pattern in price. You want to see that. Okay, coming down to retest the gap. I would hold off on adding another half for now. Okay, I mean, you could if you want to be fair. Wow, look at that wick! Look at that wick! Oh, man. Look at that wick reaction. Yo, we are cooking today. We are cooking today. How many of you guys added in on that? Simon, did you add in on that? Simon, did you add in? Yo, if you guys added in on that and you got in a good... Oh, damn. It wicked up because... That's funny. I mean, you're already green 0.6R, so I would just target a 1R here for you, brother. Just target a 1R and be done for your day. But, man, you guys should have added in on that. And if you did, I mean, I still wouldn't go break even. We still need a bit of a push up. 888. I mean, that's still a terrific wick reaction. What's your fill, Simon? 292. Damn, same as me. Okay. Shitty ass fill. I won't lie to you, dog. Shitty fill. You're gonna have to play a tie break even over here at this upper bearish for value gap. Nice! I exactly wanted to see that. Okay, I wanted us to make another bullish OB. Nice! Nice! Get ready to go break even. We just need to tap this gap and I'll go break even there. Just tap the gap. Tap the gap. How the hell did you get hit break even, dog? Where was your fill? Okay, this is a crazy wick. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I am getting a little bit wary of these wicks. 303. You're up like 10 points. Previous swing high 32nd. Ah, I didn't even notice. Okay, I'm gonna go break even over here. For me, that was a bit of a tie break even. Personally, probably wouldn't have done that, but it's all good. Like I said, it's not the highest quality setup, but it is something I personally would probably take. Just need to tap this for value gap, and we can. Oh yes, go break even. Holy, that was crazy. Did you guys see that wick? Okay, I mean you can justify break even here by all means. Definitely justify break even there. Did anyone's TP hit there? Anyone's TP hit there? It's rejecting. Okay. Yo, TP about to hit, folks. Oh my god, but we are just killing it back and forth today. 6 win today. Yo, no one, absolutely no one should be red today. No one should be red today. Come on, don't edge Simon. Simon, what run I tell you to do? Oh, nah, this should hit. Yeah, God. No way we get edged again, guys. Yo, we're getting edged again, bro. You're getting out. How much are you up? How much are you up? Five. Habibi, that's great. On a 50K? That's amazing. Come on, bro. On 150K. I mean, that's still solid, dog. That's still solid. Tempo says he stops trading at 400. So that's still good. You're fine. Yeah, definitely I would go break even here. If you guys took this, post your profits and hashtag profits. Simon, you did well, dog. I know it's not 1R, but still, it's like 0.8R. And Tempo, he would stop trading there. So still solid. And oh, my goodness. I mean, I would still hold. Yo, just missed my break even. Ah, it's coming. Okay, we got there. I mean, hey, valid setup that we just called there. If you guys got in a better fill, if you guys got in a good fill, that was about like a yeah, that was a solid 1 hour. If you guys got in a good fill. All right, guys. Now, how many of you guys are red? Press one if you are red today. Press one if you are red today. What is a pregnant man emoji for? Like, what is that supposed to mean, bro? Still red on the week. Don't worry, this week wasn't amazing. I mean, I should have been more green on the week. It's kind of just bad luck. I got edged like that Tuesday, and bad luck that I got edged like that today. But it won't happen every single time. We're gonna it's Vimil. You can look for another long off of this 50% level. I do have an appointment with my career advisor though, so I do have to get ready for that. Yeah. If, when I Dodgy already got off the charts. So Dodgy says this was bad PA, and I guess why he says that. I mean, look at this. This doesn't look clean. But I mean, every one of these moves followed our model, right? This move originally, even the open counter followed the model. It made an SMT at the highs, tapped to 50%, dumped. This move at the lows followed our model too. It made a pre-market bullish SMT, IVG, and then pumped, right? This move over here, it made a data candle, the 9:45 a.m. data candle, and we tapped the 50% level, and then we dumped. This move over here, it made a SMT at the lows. It made an SMT at the lows. You see this obvious bullish divergence over here. I'm selling Dodgy subscription if anyone needs it. That is the most disrespectful thing anyone can say about any trader. My goodness. Is he that bad? Like, what's wrong with him? But yeah, you guys can see this spike over here. It followed our model, made an SMT at the lows, and then pumped. I just wasn't able to look at this because I was like, I was so grieving my edge. That's fair. Um, so you SMT at the lows, and we pump. This move over here swept at an arrow to swing low, and then we dumped. And this move over here tapped the 50% level, tapped the 5 minute bullish for value gap, and then we pumped. Do you guys see this? This isn't a joke. Every single one of these moves, this move, this move, this move, this move, and this move, every single one of these moves followed the model. That is incredible. Nice, Pure and Q. We made money today too. We called the same long, just not as clean of a setup. I will say that, but we did call that long too. Okay, look, I forgot to say we did just tap the 50% level. You could potentially look for longs over here. Not a very enthusiastic reaction though. Wow, what a day, man! What a day. See that? I did not get emotional this time after getting edge. Willow, did you see my edge? Did you see this happen again? Do you see this, dude? Willow, you see this? Ah, it's all good. Do you look at this shit? No worries, man. Do you see this? You see that? Look at that. Look at that. This is You saw this on. I don't think you were here Thursday, but Thursday I got stopped to the very tick before it flew 200 points. Tuesday I missed TP by 2 points and then it reversed all the way back down. Today it came like it not even. This isn't even half a point. That's not even half a point. That's like a tenth of a point, a fifth of a. I don't even know what it is, but it came right there and it's edged it right there. It's unreal, absolutely unreal. You guys take care. It's been so long since I hit a full TP, man. I haven't hit a full TP since Thursday. Besides that, it's just been base hits, base hits, base hits. Wow. Anyways, y'all take care. I appreciate y'all for watching, man. I really do. I appreciate y'all. Thank you for watching. I will see you Friday. Nah, Friday's gonna be Powell. Probably no trade day. I'm probably not gonna trade it. I'll still stream it, but I probably won't trade it because I don't want to risk the little profits I made on this week. I don't want to have Powell just cook it all. Yeah. So y'all take care. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.